All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Toyota Camry. It is the SE model. It's beautiful electric blue with the black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, super nice. Best of all, minimum damage, only 37,000 miles. Go real quick, your front bumper looks fucking nice. Your front hood looks pretty good. Does have a little chip there, another one there, another one there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another little chip here, 5. Another one there, 6. We got some chips here and there. No big deal. Here's your rear, your front passenger. Front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread here is. Let's have 5:30 seconds. Let me double check it. Yeah, 5:30 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. The tire thread here is that's the hairline over a couple of a little bit over 4:30 seconds. It's in a shuttered roof. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears or rips. It looks good. It is that leather suede. That leather cloth material. It is a powered seat. Does come. If I can pull this key out. Does come with one key fob combo. All right. Does have a heavy scratch here. They've been touched up with the proper paint, the proper touch up for it, so it's hard to see. It's about 3 inches. Boom. It's on the sail panel. Turn on this vehicle so you guys can see instrument cluster and stuff like that. All right. Turn on the lights. Of course, you get your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right there. Wow. See, continue. There it is. Got your AC controls right down below. Check backup camera. Pow. See something here. Boom. Backup camera. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Your mileage of 37,735. Good in here. Pretty much completes the tour. See what this is. Up the little storage compartment there. Open up the trunk. All right. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like. All the tails and rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Rear lift gate looks pretty good. It does have a nice little rear spoiler there. Looks good. Here's your rear cargo area, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious for a 4-door sedan. Do have some tools and such right there, and your spare tire tucked away back there. All right, keeping it moving. It's got a heavy scratch right here, about 2 inches. About an inch. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice LC curbing on this. And tire thread is over 5:30 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's the rear passenger seat. And what that looks like, no holes, no tears, or rips. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Does have some curbing down here. 3, 6, about 6 inches there. Over 4:30 seconds on this side. I thought there was a dent or a chip somewhere. Crazy. The dent right on this driver's door. That's what it is. A dent there. See? What else? There it is, and a dent right here on the passenger door. Yep, that will paint off, obviously. All right, folks, that pretty much completes the tour. Folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Toyota Camry SE model, beautiful electric blue with black interior. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.